Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the DTOSC indicator. All right, whether you are using the MT4 platform or the MT5 platform, you can just check the description below to download the MT4 version or the MT5 version. All right, after downloading the indicator, you have to head over to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. After that, you head back to your navigator and refresh. Okay, after refreshing, just look for the DTOSC indicator, drag and drop on your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And as for your input, you can see the custom settings that are available here. You can modify them according to your taste. Depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be, you can modify these period values here, and then of course you can change the colors if you are not comfortable with the default. All right, so this indicator is designed to blend trend and momentum analysis into one tool. All right, it helps you to know when the asset is overbought and oversold. You can see it gives overbought and oversold signals, and also gives you precise buy and sell signals as well, right? So when the blue line crosses above the red line, it's a buy signal, and then confirmed by the appearance of the green cycle, you can proceed to execute a buy trade. On the other hand, when the blue line crosses below the red line, it's a sell signal confirmed by the red circle, after which you can proceed to execute a sell trade. Okay, however, I'm going to recommend trading in the direction of the trend. So when you are in a bullish trend, I will recommend looking for only buy signals to be on the safer side, right? So when you are in a bullish trend, you should be looking out for the blue line crossing above the red line and the appearance of the green circles. You can neglect the sell signals in a bullish trend. On the other hand, in a bearish trend, you can neglect the buy signals. Okay, just focus on the blue line crossing below the red line from the overbought territory and the appearance of the red cycles. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, maybe this is a good time to do that, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be among the first to know when a new video drops. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.